Storm Tracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
So let's take a peek at what's happening outside right now. The Storm Tracker 9 live radar sweep's pretty quiet. We've got a couple of the smoke plumes up in the Cascade Creek fire in central Washington, and again the Pole Creek fire here, central Oregon. Both of those have been shifting back off towards the northeast as the winds for us have been out of the southwest, courtesy of an area of low pressure, an upper level low that's been sitting off of the northern California coastline. Now it's going to creep a little closer to us and push all of that ocean air inland. We've seen the influence of that yesterday and today as our highs have backed off from the 90 that we saw on Monday back down into the upper 70s for today. 77 in Corvallis, 78 in Eugene. We're around 82. These are the highs for today, mind you. Down in Roseburg, 95 in Medford, the hot spot today, and 50s as you get out towards the coast. So you can see there's still some warm air back off to the north and east of us there. Pendleton at 94, but that cool ocean air and the marine clouds kind of sticking on the western end of the state here, keeping things a little cool, and also keeping our air quality back down into the good category, which is good, as well as we've been sitting in moderate for the last couple of days. So we'll be clear at first. We'll start to bring the clouds in early tomorrow morning. We'll keep that cooler trend as we headed towards Thursday and Friday, and then we kick off fall officially Saturday morning at just before 8 o'clock. And there is a chance with that low getting a little closer to us that we could welcome in a few isolated thunderstorms as well. So check out the big contrast. Offshore winds, 90 degrees. Winds coming in off the ocean, back down into the 70s. And a quick peek out in the 7-day forecast will show we'll keep that around as we head in towards the weekend. 76 in Eugene right now, still 80 in Roseburg, mid-50s, pretty much from Newport down to North Bend. And out in Bend and Redmond, they're sitting in the low 80s. They're at around 88 for today. So we'll see a foggy start early tomorrow morning with temperatures in the mid to upper 40s and low 50s. And then as we go towards the weekend, here's what we're watching. Our ridge of high pressure is still keeping us relatively dry and sunny. If this low wasn't here, we'd be looking at temperatures probably in the upper 80s and low 90s for the next couple of days. But because that low is getting closer and it's generating those counterclockwise winds with that ocean air with it, it is also going to keep things on the cooler side. So we'll start off cloudy tomorrow morning. Inland we'll be back to sunny skies. Clouds will probably stick around along the coast. Same thing as you get to Friday. We'll see a bit of a stronger push to that cloud cover as the low gets closer. And so we'll be adding clouds to our weekend forecast, and we'll be dropping the temperatures just a few degrees each day. So partly sunny skies at the coast. Coast will be looking temperatures sitting right around 58 to 60 degrees. And then I'm going to add some drizzle probably Saturday and Sunday, maybe a passing shower or two as the low starts to move inland, and then we'll dry out into early next week. In the Umpqua, mostly sunny skies, temperatures around 79 to 80, and then into the upper 70s, possibly a chance for some thunderstorms moving in late Saturday night or Sunday. As the low moves overhead, then we're back to morning clouds and afternoon sunshine next week. Smoky and sunny out in the Cascades. Temperatures there will be in the mid to upper 60s. We'll see mid 80s out in Bend and Redmond. Sunny skies there as well through Friday. Again, still smoky through the weekend. And then hopefully the low can kind of cool things off or sort of move the air mass around just a bit. Mostly sunny here in the valley after we'll start off cloudy tomorrow morning and then increase those clouds by the weekend, but still pretty darn pleasant mid 70s as we kick off fall on Saturday. And as the Ducks kick off around 7:30 tonight, probably going to be down the low 60s and upper 50s. So cool second half for the game.
Yeah, that's going to be something you'll have to prepare for if you're out at Autzen.
Oh yeah, because again, it'll be warm during the day. In the evening, better watch out.
Thanks, Justin.
Yeah.